There was a farmer named Gopal. One day he was working in his field. Suddenly he found a golden pot in the ground. It was filled with gold coins. Ah, a golden pot! My luck was finally changed. If I show this to Kamla, she will go crazy with joy. But as soon as he starts thinking about Kamla, he gets a little scared. No. If I tell Kamla about this, she will start shouting it to the whole village.
We found a golden pot in our field. We found a golden pot in our field.
Oh my god! Oh no, that shouldn't happen. But how will I hide this from Kamala? I can't carry such a big pot alone. I have to think of a plan. Let me think something. Gopal covered the pot with soil again and reached home while thinking about it.
You came home quite early today.
I am very hungry. Serve the food quickly. Kamla served the food, but Gopal was not focused on eating. Kamla, I'm not hungry. I'm going to the market for a bit.
That's strange. Just now you said you were very hungry. Are you feeling okay?
Yes, I'm fine. It will be late tonight. You eat and go to sleep. Gopal now reaches the market. He buys some fish and 4-5 cans of red paint. Then he reaches his fields with all the stuff. I should get to work now. Gopal now mixes the red paint in water and sprinkles it across the field. After that, he scatters the fish he brought all over the field. Now it's fine. He reaches home very late at night. Oh, she had slept already. Kamla, wake up, Kamla. I have to tell you something. Kamla. Hey, come quickly.
What happened? You are very late. Where were you?
The news is like that. Come to the field with me.
Now? So late at night. Let's go tomorrow morning.
No, Kamla. Come now. It rained in our field.
How is that possible? It didn't rain here at all. The sky is clear too.
Oh, you silly. That's the point. It rained only in our fields and not ordinary rain. A rain of fish. Lots of fish are scattered all over our fields from the sky.
Rain of fish? Are you feeling alright?
I am perfectly fine, Kamla. Now come with me. With a lantern in hand, both reached the field. Look, Kamla, this was no ordinary rain. Red water was dripping from the sky. I have kept that water filled in a pot. When Kamla saw the fish scattered in the field, she was shocked. Red drops were also visible in various places.
Oh yes, there are so many fish lying around here. How did all this happen?
This seems like a miracle. Let's take that pot filled with water home. But this is a big secret. Don't tell anyone.
Why would I tell anyone?
With Kamla's help, Gopal brings that pot filled with gold coins home. The next morning, before Kamla woke up, Gopal buried the pot in the courtyard to hide it. Next morning, Kamla asks Gopal,
Hey, listen, where have you kept that pot?
Pot? Which pot?
The one that we brought from our fields last night.
Some neighbors heard Kamla's words and gathered around her to ask about the pot. Pot? What kind of pot? Did you find golden pot? What is inside the pot? Did you find some treasure? Oh, no, there is nothing like that. She must have had a dream last night.
I don't have any dream. Why are you lying? Last night we brought a big pot from the field.
Last night?
Yes, last night. You know, last night it rained very heavily in our fields.
But it didn't rain here at all last night.
Exactly. It rained only in our fields. And that too, no ordinary rain. Red colored water fell from the sky. And lots of fish also fell from the sky into our fields. That pot was filled with the same red water.
Red water?
Hearing Kamla's words, everyone gathered there started laughing.
Rain of fish? Can such a thing ever happen?
She has definitely gone crazy. Sister, you must have seen a dream. Rain of fish. She is mad.
Hey, stop. Listen for a second. I'm telling the truth. Hey, listen. It really rained fish.
I told you before. You must have had a dream. Let it go now, Kamla. Quickly give me breakfast. I'm getting late for the fields.
Did I really see a dream?
Seeing his wife mumble and go inside, Gopal smiles to himself. A secret should always remain a secret. Otherwise, why would it be called a secret?
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in Staryxaland!